he wānanga te critical thinking, me ki pēnei rā, ko te awa nui I whāngaihia ki ngā manga iti.
Indigenous critical thinking is a nice way to articulate what we already do in Māori in terms of māramatanga. The difference between mōhio and marama, mōhio is knowing something. Marama is the ability to apply that to different contexts. It's not just seeing the issue, but it's looking through the issue and understanding the context in which that issue arises.
Critical thinking is a process of reflection. It's a process of how we might think in ways that support us to make judgments, make decisions, form opinions on something that we've maybe heard, seen or experienced. But it is nothing new to us, it's nothing new to our people. Our ancestors were amazing researchers, they were amazing analysts, they were amazing critical thinkers, because if they weren't, we never would have arrived, we never would have been able to navigate our way across the oceans and back again. That takes critical thinking. And what unfortunately, through the process of colonisation for many of us, we forgot how to do. Had that stripped from us actually through the process of colonisation, and over generations we've been taught to think in different ways.
When we're thinking about Indigenous thinking, it's quite different from modern thinking, which has been hugely influenced by Descartes, I think, therefore I am. Separate from myself, separate from the taiao, separate. I am autonomous, me by myself. I'm independent. All of that has been influenced by colonisation. When we're looking at indigeneity, we're talking about collective, whānau, hapū, iwi. We're talking about a relationship with others. It's all to do with a connectedness to each other and to the taiao and this reciprocal way of living.
Coming back to critical Indigenous thinking is coming back to what we knew before colonisation, and it's remembering the processes of thinking of our ancestors.
E kita anō hoki te rātu āhuatanga I roto I ngā wānanga tahito. I runga anō hoki I ngā marae. Ka rere ngā whakaaro I roto I te whai kōrero o tēnā tangata, o tēnā tangata, o tēnā tangata. Te mutu ngeho ka whāngai hia I tētahi whakaaro nui. Hei arataki pēr, hei ora anō hoki mō te iwi.
It's not something that you turn on and turn off. As you practice critical thinking, it just becomes a natural part of your everyday life, and it's not hard. It's as simple as thinking Māori.